guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I am tyranobanks, and I know it's been a minute since we had some good camera quality. I know it's been a minute since we just had like a regular smuggler degular video, and I know it's been a minute since we had a school video. Okay, yes, we are back on school. So as everybody knows, if you've been on my channel when I went to my undergraduate school, the Alabama State University, y'all already know I got my bachelor's degree in early childhood education. I don't know if I really told y'all what my degree is, but y'all do know that I am a teacher. Right. So it took me about 2 years to figure out if I wanted to obtain my master's degree, and I finally decided to apply, and I figured that it was better for me to start in the fall, which I am used to starting school in the fall, instead of starting in summer or spring, and just do it like that, so I could graduate in the spring or whenever I do graduate. Like, it's not really a time on that. Anyways, y'all already know what this video is about because of the title, but y'all, I got accepted into UTSA. UTSA is in San Antonio. It's University of Texas at San Antonio. And this is my official like envelope stating that I got accepted. You know, you see the UTSA up there in that corner. I know y'all see that. And then this is my official acceptance letter. I did get a notification in my email. So I knew in my email at first, and then I got this paper one, which I'm excited because I do like keeping things like this in my memory box of goals that I've accomplished. So yes, yeah, I don't know, like when I first found out, because I submitted my application back in March, I believe, and they told me after I submitted it that I would know in like 2 or 3 weeks, but I just found out last week. So I don't know if that's just like the estimate time that they put on there just to, I guess, give people a clue. When really I've been waiting over a month. At first I did not think I was going to get accepted because they were taking so long, but in the end I got accepted. What I'm getting my master's degree in is school counseling. Y'all, I'm talking so fast. It's school counseling. I want to be a counselor, of course, because I don't see myself, like, I love, you know, being a teacher, but I want to go up and beyond that because I know I can. So this is a new journey. So that also means that I might be doing college vlogs. It's going to be different because I'm going to be working and going to school, and I know that's going to be a crazy road. And UTSA is one of the top 10 schools in Texas with the best school counseling program. So that's really big to me because I typed in like the top schools with the best programs. So I'm in one of the 10 best school counseling programs in the state of Texas. So this is a big deal to me. And it's also going to be different because I am going to a PWI. UTSA is a PWI, which means that it's a predominantly white institution. And y'all know HBCU is a historically black college and university, so it's definitely going to be a switch because it's already different for me actually staying in Texas rather than Alabama. The vibes are definitely different. So again, this is going to be very interesting. Let me know if y'all want me to do college vlogs, if y'all want me. I think I'm going to do a video of touring the campus. I have not been to the campus, but I've seen pictures, so I know it's pretty. Let me know if y'all want to know how I applied for the master's program, and I can actually pull up my computer and go through the steps for those that are wishing to get their master's program at UTSA. Or the processes might be different for applying for master programs, but let me know if y'all want me to do that. I'm also gonna see if I can do dorm room tours, maybe, like if I meet somebody and ask if I can do like a dorm room tour, like show y'all the rooms for incoming freshmen and stuff like that. I really like helping people out, y'all already know. Um, just let me know, like, if y'all would be interested in seeing me get my master's degree, because I know, and I'm not throwing no shade or nothing, no shade thrown, you know, no palm trees, but I know it's a lot of YouTubers, that's how y'all find us. Y'all look for like college vlogs, colleges that y'all might want to attend, and then they graduate, and then they keep telling y'all that they're gonna go back to school, go back to school, go back to school, but they're so caught up in YouTube that they don't do it. Not throwing any shade though. Y'all already know I've been very on and off YouTube. I come back and be like, hey y'all, sorry I've been gone, but I really be going through some things. I still have to do a life update, and I can now do that now that I got something to actually give y'all good quality, okay? But other than that, I just really wanted to tell y'all that, like, I got accepted into graduate school after 2 years of graduating from undergrad, and I'll be getting another degree under my name. And who knows, it depends on where life takes me. I might get another degree to be my doctoral degree. So, because, you know, life is short. Ain't nothing wrong with having a doctor in front of your name. I'm just saying, you know, just throwing that out there. Education is very, y'all, we just gonna have to do another, I got multiple videos lined up. And I'm gonna try to get back into the motion of YouTube, because baby, after that, the bad quality that I was putting out, I was just like, no. But yes, got accepted to grad school, going to UTSA. I think I am gonna do a video of how I applied for UTSA. So make sure y'all thumbs up this video, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all follow me on my social media pages. Like, if y'all already follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Snapchat, like, y'all lit like a big, become a brownie. That was so lame. But become a brownie and just watch me continue to flourish as a person. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.